In this episode, we're going to unbox a Jita I got from China. Join us! In this episode, we're going to unbox this Jita I got from China. Again, thank you for watching, everybody. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it would be today. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe, leave some comments. You guys know the rest. Let's get going. Mosquito here. That's one reason why I haven't been uploading lots of video lately. After work, I'm getting chewed up by these lovely ankle biter mosquitoes. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know what they attack pretty well over and over. And then we do have the rendezvous coming up. So just like Michael Roberts has promoted so far, it's one of those great venues to show. I'm actually going for a day. I'm going to be there Friday. So if you guys are there, say hi. You know, you guys know the rest. And I'd love to see guys and meet you guys there. So again, that's happening on, I think it's 20 and 21st. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So there you go. I got this package from a guy called Chiu Kei from Facebook. So he posted a couple of these stands and Jitas and stuff. I saw this one. I said, "Oh, this is like perfect." I was missing this particular style, and I love this particular style when you see it. And it was relatively inexpensive. It was under $100. So I said, you know what, let me give this guy a chance. So he did ship it through, I think it was airmail, and it was included in the price. He's from Jeju, China. So packaging is well done. I mean, just for a quick, and it got here within like less than 7 days actually. So press time-wise, it was pretty impressive. His response in English was spot on. He did take I think it was PayPal or Venmo. He'll take like electronic payment, so not really. So foam padding, that's not bad. And then in a paper box, and within the paper box, there's more padding. Oh, there, and it's oh wow. So from Facebook, he had like 3 of these. Well packaged, I just said that. Well packaged. He had 3 of these, and this is the smaller size. I was looking for like a accent. Okay, this guy wasn't kidding. This is well done. I didn't know this was wood. It looked like wood. So I was looking for this particular style that I'm looking for. So here we go. I haven't seen this like in person, and it's just one photo. So it was kind of one of those Hail Mary. I was gonna buy it and see what. Ooh, wow. What do you think? Oh, it's real burl wood. You know, from the pictures I saw, it looked like plastics. I'm like, it's really dense. Really nice shaping, has a nice edging. You can see that really nice edging there. That what drew to me. It's burl, some type of burl wood. Wow, they took a lot of, kind of off-gassing a little bit, but what you expect, check that out. Under $100. It's a good size for like a really big accent. So you're talking about something maybe like one of my bigger trees. This would be perfect for one of my bigger trees. Probably stands out really nice. Yeah, under $100. What do you think? I think it's pretty nice. I might, you know, honestly, I might buy some more products from this guy if he has any more. This is pretty darn nice, I think, for $100. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna put a couple of photos of the other stands he has online. But yeah, this guy's legit. You know, honestly, for $100, you know, I'll be kind of cool if I can get something like that big. Yeah. Cost me an arm and a leg probably, but yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, there you go. We're going into fall, so people, this is not the time really to be cutting trees or stuff, but I do have a really big portulacaria that I really need to go trim. If this weather holds up tomorrow, I'm going to do that tomorrow. And then I might set that video for in 2 weeks. But next week video will be one of my last Hawaii videos, one of my last visitation to another artist. And then you guys should see that one. That one's actually pretty good. So keep in tune. Again, thank you for watching, everybody. And if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.